had such an exciting rescue mission today. What was your favorite part? I like that too. My favorite part was when I climbed up to save the kitten. I think that was the kitten's favorite part too. My favorite part was saying agua to spray the thirsty flower. We couldn't have done it without you. Thanks for helping. This is my friend, the Weasel. Can you find the Weasel? Hi, it's me, Dora. Thanks for playing along with me. And coming up next, you can play along with Steve and Blue on Blue's Clues. Can you figure out Blue's Clues? Blue's Clues is next on Nick Jr.